Today on the Garden Fix, it's all about double tulips. Hi, and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob, and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. So today in the Garden Fix, we're taking a look at double tulips, which are also known as peony tulips. And this is a great time in our garden to be looking at them. So what makes a double tulip? Unlike regular tulips have 6 petals. A double tulip has another layer and maybe even more around it, as you can see all the petals on these. And that makes these peony tulips a lot stronger to withstand storms of spring. It also is equipped with a stronger stem, and that helps it stand up and hold up this heavier flower on the top. Now there are 2 kinds of peony tulips, or double tulips. There's double early and double late. The double early ones are a little smaller, and the stems run from about 6 inches to 12 inches. Of course, the double early tulips will come up earlier in spring, and double late tulips will come up a little bit later. Double late tulips have a longer stem. This is a double late tulip, and they go from about 12 inches to about 18 inches. So here's a double early tulip, and you can see how short the stem is. Just as beautiful though. Here's another double late tulip that just started opening, and you can see how long the stems are and how beautiful the flowers are. So these particular flowers are really gorgeous, as you can see. So for most people, these particular flowers are only annuals, because sometimes they don't come back. They have to have great conditions to thrive in, and a lot of people will just replace them every year. Now this is our 2nd year, and you can see that they're doing pretty well. This was 1 flower last year, now it's 2. We have some other areas where there's 3 or even 4. They love full sun, and they love rich soil, and they need to have well-draining soil. So like most tulips, you should plant them in the fall. When they're done blooming, you should cut off the stems so that the foliage can regenerate the bulb for next year. And most double tulips or peony tulips are hardy in zones about 3 to 8. So they're pretty good for just about everybody. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining me on this edition of Gorgeous Garden Plants. Stay tuned for the next one. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And also hit the notification bell so you know whenever we drop a new video. So until next time, guys, I'll see you in the garden.